pop on here to say hi, because, well, there hasn't been a lot of new videos other than our tribute to Ken Block, which has been absolutely amazing. The way you've received this video and shown it love is something I'll forever be grateful for. That was simply amazing. Having said that, of course, we're going to be keeping on with our own content going forward. There's a review coming. It'll be out now in January. It's a very cool car, and hopefully you'll enjoy that as well. We've started focusing on shorts, which you've probably noticed, a Versus series that we just do to keep you entertained, also have you showing us what it is you prefer. So we go through classics, we go through modern cars, we also go through absolute legendary vehicles, and of course we'll keep on doing that for as long as we possibly can, for as long as you're entertained by it. Other than that, Chill With Cars in 2023 are going to be doing a lot of stuff, actually. We'll be doing a couple of really large visits at a couple of places that you for sure will find very interesting. We'll also have the opportunity to do very, very awesome reviews this year. Can't really wait to show you how cool that's gonna look. Also, we will be going on track a lot more this year, for sure, and I'll be bringing you along as well for that. This year is going to be kind of a year getting into shape, focusing on basically racing as a craft, doing a lot more driving, tracking, etc., go-karting as well, just to get the practice in, because it's important, you know. It's very important that you continuously work on your driving skills, especially if it's a passion of yours and you like to drive on track. But we also know that there are a lot of our fan base that prefers street driving and so on, like togeys and so on. And of course, while we officially don't condone any reckless driving or endangerment of other people on the road, it's part of the culture. Trying to hide it or like deny the fact that this is done all over the world is naive, you know. So I'm not gonna sit here and say no, never going on togeys or anything. It's raining, so the sound was basically me wiping the windshield. So yeah, we're going to be doing a lot of those type of things. We're also probably going to look into gaming, probably. We'll see, because if we were to do that, it would be to just keep on working on the skills necessary for track driving. You know, it's not going to be much larger than that. So of course there will be videos about it to see how the engagement is, if you like what you see, stuff like that. But you know, there are a lot of things that play into what type of content we're going to be providing. Instagram as well is going to have a lot more focus, a lot more posts. We'll be having a lot more engagement from you guys, hopefully, because you are the reason we exist. Of course, we've been inspired by great drivers like Ken Block and me as a Norwegian. We have Petter Solberg and so on, as well as rally champions and stuff like this, you know. And there's no point creating videos if nobody enjoys what it is you do, you know. And I mostly make videos for myself. This is something I do because I like creating videos and talking to you guys. But it's also very important that most of you guys like what you see, you know, you're interested in it. That's why we're doing a lot more reviews this year, etc. Hopefully we will have one review at least per month. We are hoping to be able to schedule 2 per month every month, but I'm not like guaranteeing anything because that just leads to disappointment, you know. So yeah, that's kind of the plans we have for this year. Please subscribe to this channel. I promise you it'll be worth it. There's also one more thing that the channel will be getting, and that is kind of a history part, where I'll be kind of functioning as more of a podcast, where I'll be sharing a video of the history of different types of historical things, you know. It's not going to be quite like Up to Speed, for example, from Donut, but it's going to be informative, leaving you with a feeling of being more knowledgeable than you were before, and hopefully that's something that you'll all enjoy. So really not much else. I'm just looking forward to bringing you along this year, and hopefully you'll be seeing some progress on me, myself. I'll also include you a lot more in the building of the Integra, because the Integra is now getting a lot of changes. I already have a couple of very, very epic things for the car already that are going to be installed. Like, I can't wait to show you like the finished product. So up until that point, I won't be showing off the car a lot to the general public, if you know what I'm saying. Like, I'm out taking a drive today, but I'm just driving at the racetrack because, well, it was nice weather up until like 15 minutes ago, and then it started raining. But you do what you gotta do to create content, you know. So that's the goal here. Other than that, I hope that this year we will have a closer connection than ever. Thank you for all of the comments on the 10 block video. I really appreciate the love. I also appreciate the fact that within a space of literally around 20 days, we've had an increase of subscribers of 300 people. Thank you very, very much. That is astounding. It is magnificent. I'm in awe of you. So thank you. I really appreciate it. Quick update on the cancer situation. The tumor has been removed. I'm now on medication, and I will be for the foreseeable future, in conjunction with the medical staff and of course how I'm feeling and how the test looks. But hopefully I am completely rid of that as well. But we'll see. We'll walk that walk together as well. So thank you. I'll leave link to the Instagram for both the Integra, but also Chill with Cars, so you can stay up to date on what's going on there. And please share our videos, make a vote, put a comment in the versus videos, etc. And let's have a great 2023. Thank you guys. See you around.